Morning, Ella. Sorry, kind of a late start for me today. My my daughter is still sick, so I've kind of been up with her all night and making sure she's good before I get on. But today, I'm gonna call this a valid break because we are 5 points outside of our zone. So thank you, appreciate that. Um, you can see right when market opened right here at 6:30, we spiked up, grabbed that midpoint, and shot back down. Obviously, we're coming back up to it now, so have your order ready. Let's see what we do here at this midpoint. Um, in theory, what this strategy is, like I said, we break to the outside, preferably after market opens. So which we did. So market opens right here at 6:30. It breaks outside of our zone at least 5 points, comes back. I want it to tap our midpoint, respect it, and when I say respect it, I want those candles to close below our midpoint because we're looking for it to get, it's called the break and retest. So it breaks, retests, and then goes for a bigger move down. I don't know what that was. So we'll wait and see what these next few candles do. If we can get it to tap that midpoint. But I also have London lows marked out right there. So we will see what we do here. We just, like I said, market just opened up, so it's super volatile right now. Um, we don't have a clear direction yet. So we'll let market kind of establish itself right now. All right. So let's see what we do. A little flustered today, but that's all right. And market open, again, we don't have a clear direction yet. We keep trying to go up and rejecting. We keep trying to go down, rejecting, kind of just chopping around, making ourselves a little zone here. So, like I said, we'll let market establish itself for the day. Um, let me see. I didn't even check the news today. All right, so we're going to the news today. Nothing major going on that should that it shouldn't affect our markets too bad like that. Of course, somebody could send a tweet out and change that for us. So here we are, going past our midpoint now. Let these candles close. And it can reverse itself too. So if we break to the upside and come back and retest, we could look for long. So of course, if this completely rejects, we'll still be looking for those shorts. But and then we switch to the 5. So this candle will tell us a big story. It's got like a little over 2 minutes to close. But if this candle closes below this midpoint, that's a huge rejection. I'd be hopping in shorts right there. It's looking good so far, actually. We could call these like pre-market lows right here too. If we were to treat this as a key level, like looking at the bigger picture. So pre-market, we tapped it, came back up, tapped it, came back up, tapped it, came back up, and then this is market open now. So market is open right here at 6:30. So it came back down, tapped it, and it keeps rejecting off this key level, right? So we'll call it a level of support. So if we see this as a level of support, we could see this as a bigger move up. This could be our reversal point. So if that's the case, I don't know why this line's on there. Like, this line shouldn't be there. I don't know what that is. That might have been from yesterday. So I kind of like this for this being a reversal up. So the 5-minute closed above the EMA and above the midpoint here. We're rejecting that midpoint again, but we're coming down to the 1-minute EMA. It's pretty choppy price action right now, actually. If it does come back down and touch our pre-market lows right here, I don't think it will on this candle at least. We're rejecting off the EMA right now. I kind of like this for longs. We look. This is yesterday to overnight, so this was last night. This is Asia and London right here. So we just tapped that pre-market low again and rejected off of it. So see how we've kind of been in a downtrend. These are higher highs, lower highs, and lower highs. So market wants to recover itself. It wants to get back up there. So see, here we are on the 5-minute. We are at that pre-market low, and we keep rejecting off of it. So let's see what this candle does. If it's going to go all the way down to this London low, if it's going to stick with this pre-market low. Super choppy right now, super volatile. So if we get in here, it's going to be fast move. It's going to be a fast moving market. We're going to have to watch it pretty closely. But we're continuing to reject off this pre-market low right here. This is, you could call this a break and retest because market open, tapped it, and rejected and went down. You can almost call this a break and retest. It's kind of harder to find these in real time because you want to use that midpoint as your confluence. But really the whole zone is your confluence. So that top of the zone, the bottom of the zone, all three of them kind of work together. So this is technically, this is a break and retest. This is a break and retest. This one's pretty clean, but this one's not clean at all. it's hard to really read those in real time. Because if we went shorts right here, we could have got 10, 15 points off of it. But I like to use either the top of the zone, the midpoint, or the bottom of the zone to go off of, because when it's not clean like this, you're kind of almost just guessing, oh, I think it's going to go down now. So I'd rather be a little more sure in the trade. So we're getting pretty close to London low here. I like a play off of that. Because a play off of this could go for 15, 20 pretty easy. Oh, here we go. Here's that 5 minute. We're at that London low right now. So if this 1 minute respects this, I think I'm going to hop into it. That's a big rejection candle right there. There's another tap and rejection. So we tap this and reject off of it again. I'm going to hop in some longs here. Hitting that buy market. You could put a limit order down at this level if you wanted to, and just let it execute itself for you. See if we can get an entry before it takes off. It's looking nice though. If you did get in there, it's looking nice. Might be taking off here though. But that's exactly what we look for. A tap rejection, but you want your entry to be close to it, because it can still push below it. It's not a solid line. So here we go, testing it again. Let that reject. Get your order ready. It's just not giving that clear entry. But you can hop in earlier too. So let's see it. It's gonna have to be fast here. All right. I just got in there. Oh, it's just dumping too. But that's why we have our stop loss. So I am in this. It's probably gonna get stopped out pretty fast. It's not holding strong at all right now. I'll let this. I was a little premature on that entry, but that's okay. Well, it's kind of playing itself out now though. I want this to definitely. I'd want a higher high here. Here we go. That's better. That's way better. Did you get in that, Ella? There's almost 10 points. So if you're using 2 contracts, that's over 1,000 right there. I'm going for 15 or my 1,500. Just need one more big move up. I'm gonna protect myself here and move my stop loss just below EMA, just in case. I really want this to go up and hit that take profit though. We're at 12 points now. You're at 73.79. Oh, it's pretty early at 70, but I think that's fine. I'm trying to understand what you're saying. Let me see. You got in at 73.79. Oh, so you're right here. You're in right here. So you're up, I don't know, 5-6 points, or almost 5-6 points.
Target filled.
Okay, my target just got filled. I don't know what you're at, Ella, but maybe go for like 10 points or so. So if you got in at 73.79 right here, yeah, I mean, you're at 10 points because you don't want to make too much, right? Because you're on that eval. You want to make sure that you don't make over 1,500 on a single day. You want that 50% consistency. Um, so yeah, so just go anywhere for 1,000 to 1,400 here. You got in at the first small up. 73.79. Let me mark that out just so I can. 73.79 is it's right there. Okay, so yeah, you're close to. You should be close to 1,000 somewhere right here. Um, you're at 5-600 right now. Did you close the trade? Did you get out of it? Sorry, I just want to make sure that you're good. I want to make sure that you ended this with green. You did? Okay. So you're up in your eval account. That's amazing. Um, first trade on it. That was a nice trade. Nice and quick, in and out. Um, that was a good trade. I mean, it scared me at first because we got in right here and then it dropped down. Don't be scared. Don't let your emotions take over. Trust in it. That's why we have our risk management. And I mean, look, that's exactly what it is. I marked out this London low. We respected it twice. We tried to dip, but look, as soon as we dipped it, we shot up for 15, 20 points. I'll bring up my profit loss statement so you can see. I was a $1,500 trade for me. It went for a little bit more, but I'm happy with my 1,500. Uh, I mean, that was a great trade. It was earlier in the day, so we get to end the day a little early. I hope you're happy with it. I hope you secured yourself some nice profit on your eval account. That's just one step closer to get into that funded phase and seeing some money hit your account. So that's amazing. I'm really happy for you. I'm happy with this trade. Much better than yesterday. Again, I'm sorry about yesterday because that's why I'm supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be here to call those things out, and I honestly dropped the ball yesterday. So I did a lot of reflection, and I told myself I want to get into these trades with you guys. I want to execute these trades with you guys, and this is what we do. So again, I'm very pleased with how today turned out. A nice turnaround. Still early in the week, so we are green for the week. Uh, but yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be happy with that one trade for the day. That 15-point trade is great. It's super choppy right now too, and it's early in the day, so we get an early day, and you get to go back to sleep early. And uh, yeah, I mean, great trading today. I'll put up the recaps up in there. I'd say for today, of course, we always do our reflection, always what went wrong, what went right, what could have been better. Um, entry was a little bit late for you. It still worked out. That's okay. Um, but that's something that could have been better, right? Getting that clean entry, and that's just going to come with time. That's going to come with executing more trades. I mean, that's what it is. When you first start something, it's not going to be perfect. Um, but it's okay. It worked out today. You made money. You are green on your eval account, and I'm going to keep updating you on that eval account because I want to get you that funded phase as fast as I can, so you can start seeing some real money in your pocket as well. Because that's at the end of the day, that's why we're all here. So, but again, great trading today. So it worked out for you, worked out for me. Um, nice overall performance out of you and I. So Matthew couldn't join us today, but you should be back here tomorrow. So, but yeah, I mean, unless you have anything for me, that was a great little trading morning. Get to go back to bed a little earlier today. All right, Ella. I'll see you tomorrow. Great job today. I'm really proud of that. I'm happy that you are in this eval phase in this platform with us and making some progress here. So I will see you tomorrow. Again, I'll post up in that Discord, but hope you get some rest and have a good one.